Let's be honest, life puts a lot of wear and tear on our bodies. Whether it's the workouts we push through, long hours at work, or simply the passing of time, aches and stiffness have a way of creeping in. Recovery doesn't feel as quick as it once did, and little things that never used to bother us can start to slow us down. That's why systemic enzymes have been gaining so much attention. And Fibrenza is one of the most advanced blends available today. These enzymes work throughout your body, not just in your digestive system, to support natural processes that ease discomfort, promote circulation, and restore balance. Think of enzymes as your body's cleanup crew. They help break down excess proteins and byproducts that can build up and cause stiffness or slow recovery. When your enzyme levels are strong, your body feels lighter, more flexible, and more capable of bouncing back after physical or emotional stress. One of the most remarkable things about Fibrenza is how it supports resilience. Whether you're dealing with the everyday strains of exercise, the stress of a busy lifestyle, or just looking to maintain freedom of movement as the years go by, this formula helps restore more youthful levels of comfort and recovery. And the benefits go beyond muscles and joints. By aiding circulation and reducing the buildup of waste in the body, Fibrenza helps create an internal environment where energy flows more easily, recovery feels quicker, and overall well-being is enhanced. If you've ever wished for a way to not just mask discomfort, but to truly support your body in healing and renewing itself from the inside out, Fibrenza offers that path. It's about more than relief. It's about freedom, the freedom to move, to recover, and to live life on your terms with energy and vitality. Try Fibrenza now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey! Hey!